The next pattern that I will use in training is changes onto the counter canter, because it's easier to teach horses to wait and go straight if you change onto the counter canter. Horses want to change to the true lead. They don't like to change to the counter canter. Shelley, you want to show us? A canter left on a quarter line. And you get nice straight canter. And she'll flex her horse ever so slightly right, do a right shoulder forward before she ever has to change. And then she'll do a right flying change and hold the lead. And change rein across the arena, HXF. And it's a very calming pattern. It keeps horses from getting tense about the changes. It keeps the control of the counter canter, so the horse always has the counter canter to use as your control. It teaches horses to wait and be patient. And because all your flying changes are onto the counter lead, it makes them not like them quite so much, which sounds funny, but you really don't want your horses to like the changes so much that they do them without you asking. So it teaches them to wait, and another flying change to the counter lead, and hold the lead, and then repeat the change of rein. And I just do a lot of that. Your horse isn't ready to progress the tempi changes till the changes are straight, till he's clean, till he does it to stride after, and until he always lands in exactly the same rhythm as the canter he starts with. In other words, if you do a flying change and your horse ends up faster or slower, you're not ready to start tempi changes.